In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage gift card notifications in your Shopify store. Keeping your customers informed with accurate and timely communication is essential, and managing gift card notifications is a great way to enhance their shopping experience. To start, you'll first need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're new to Shopify, this is essentially the control center for your entire online store, where you can manage everything from products to orders and customer interactions. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've entered the settings menu, you'll find a variety of options related to your store's configuration. For now, we're interested in the notifications section. Click on Notifications. This area allows you to manage all sorts of communications that your store sends out to customers, such as order confirmations, shipping updates, and, of course, gift card notifications. When you arrive at the notifications page, look for the section marked Customer Notifications. This is where you can adjust any message that goes out to your customer base. Now, you'll want to scroll down through the list until you find the gift cards section. As we deal with digital transactions with gift cards, it's important to ensure that your notifications here are clear and accurate. Once you've located the gift cards section, you'll see an option to create a new gift card. Click on this to proceed. This action internally generates a standard email template that is sent to customers when they purchase a gift card from your store. This is crucial in confirming the transaction and providing the recipient with a clear way to redeem the gift card. Now, here comes a part where you can personalize this experience even further. If you're interested in tweaking the email to better fit your brand's voice or add some personal flair, you have an option to edit code. Click on Edit Code and it will open up the template file for the email. From here, you have the freedom to modify the text, format, or any additional details like discount codes that you would like to include. This is a great opportunity to make the notification truly reflect your store's personality and add any specific instructions for your customers. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've navigated through your Shopify settings and accessed your gift card notifications. You've also learned how to quickly personalize these notifications to better suit your brand and customer needs. Thanks for following along, and feel free to explore the other features and settings within Shopify to further optimize your store's communication.